Good day, New York, and welcome back to my channel. Now today again guys, I did a video with Madison, which is about today, and as you can see, it ends right there because that's the police plaza, but it's closed here, but on the other side you can still go going. So this is going to be a Madison Street extension. So right now we are at Madison Street and Pearl Street, like in Pearl Jam. First let me show you where I am, and then we can continue on the journey. This is Madison Street and Pearl Jam Street. Again, I already did the video in Madison, but that was the full video. Now this was an extension because, you know me, I like to do left and right. But in this one, it's closed. So we're gonna do to the right and come back again. Again, Madison Street, Pearl Street. And we start the journey now. See guys, that's Police Plaza right here. See, if it was open, I would have just walked through and go around like I usually do. But because it's closed, only for, not pedestrians, only for police officers. So this is Police Plaza. Now we go this way. Now we gotta go to the right. And I'm gonna show you the see? Still a street, but now it's closed. See? Do not enter or exit. So now we're gonna go on the right side. Excuse me, to the left side, and I'm gonna go to the right side of this side now. And again, that's Police Plaza. It's closed, guys. This is because of the when the 9/11 incident. Now we're gonna go through here, and I'm gonna show you the very ending of Madison Street. One point, guys, I haven't released Madison Street yet because I haven't done Madison Avenue, which is his big brother. That one is really like Avenue, First, Second, and Third Avenue. Those are long avenues. So right now, I haven't uploaded that one yet because I'm waiting to do Madison Avenue maybe this week. But right now I'm just doing this extension because I couldn't do it the last time. But now I'm gonna show you exactly where Madison Street ends. And as you can see, it's a closed street now, and it's like a parking lot now for the NYU, the finest. See, one Police Plaza now. So we're gonna be going through here again, guys. Again, I don't like to be redundant, but whenever you can, or you can. So in this case, we can't. So I'm gonna show you at the corner right here exactly where it ends. So now you see this is the last street of Madison Street, and this is Avenue of the Finest. Avenue of the Finest and Madison, and you can see, check out the sun, guys. Check out the sun. So see, so this will be the last street in Madison Street, and up ahead there's another street, but that's it. That's another street to you know, go on. That's a separate street though. But right now we're just finishing the extension of Madison Street here, and as you can see, Madison Street, Avenue of the Finest, and that's what they are, of the finest. Now we keep going this way. Actually, you know what, guys? Let me just go this way. Let's finish it back there. You can see that's Rose Street now. That street now is Rose Street. See? See? It says Rose Street, and this is Madison. So basically, that is Madison finishing, and then this is the divided. Now this is Rose Street. Heading down there, that's Rose Street, and it's only one street, guys. But like I said, we're gonna go around and continue, and we're gonna continue with Madison Street extension. You know, I could blend the two of them with the original Madison Avenue, with Madison Street, but I gotta leave it as an extension. So right now we're gonna head back again, do a 90-degree here, and go back. Again, Rose Street, Madison Street. And that is the last street where it finishes or begins. Right now we're gonna begin again, heading north. Oh, I'm sorry, in this case, heading east. See, right there. There it is. Now, we're gonna go through here again, guys. Now we'll move to the right.
Yeah. Oh, it rained last year too. Yeah. No, it didn't. It rained on your birthday. Yeah, on my birthday.
So I'm gonna include this with the original video of Madison Street. So also this Madison Street and Madison Avenue will be together once I upload them. So I'm gonna finish the video, guys, right there in the corner, because again, the original video goes from that side to the other side, heading east. Okay, guys, so the video is coming to an end, guys. Thanks a lot, and thanks for walking with me on this short journey. And this is where we're gonna finish the video, guys. Again, this is a Madison Street extension. I'll load it up with Madison Street and Madison Avenue, and it's 2 times. Thank you. Bye.